Gitu mga makwa tumo mga.
Congress continues to march towards a decisive win in Karnataka Assembly elections. As per the latest data from Election Commission of India, Congress has reached an overall figure of 136 with win on 71 seats and lead in 65 constituencies. BJP's figure is 64, having bagged 30 seats and leading on 34 seats. JDU has come third, winning 12 seats and maintaining lead in 8 constituencies, while others are leading in 4 seats. Counting is being held for all 224 assembly seats, which elections were held on Wednesday. A record turnout of 73.19% was recorded in the polling. A total of 2,615 candidates were in the fray for 224 assembly constituencies. This is a victory of Janata Janardan, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said on the party's performance in his home state.